Hi guys, today's tutorial is about the vacuum that's just come out. Well, it's very cheap and economical and that, yeah. And basically, yeah, like it's got a plug and that. It's not really wireless and cordless and that. You plug it in your car. Can you fucking start the car, please? This was sponsored by Snack Jacks. Yeah, anyway, yeah. So, yeah, what happened, right? Listen, man, fuck this tutorial. Fucking lad, hold me fucking camera where I'll show my fucking face, innit? Press play. Yeah, with this tutorial, right, it sucks out, you know, Red Bull and that. Yeah, Red Bull gun and that. Look, yeah, like, takes all the sides and that. Like, give me the skill, innit? Cause, be my cameraman, innit? My real cameraman is off duty today, so I got an amateur, innit? Yeah, yo, watch this, look. Pick that. Yeah, look. But as I said, it sucks in Red Bull and that, look. So, I would give it 10 out of 10 in it. So go and buy one. Yo, how do you switch this shit off, man?